Hey guys, another video from Henry Holdings. Today I'm sitting here at the courthouse. Got my eviction hearing today. It is September 3rd, around 10:30 about. I'm evicting because of damage done to my property and unpaid rents. So basically I am evicting because eviction reason, lease violations. There was some violations, as you can see. They also, it says here that she broke out her windows with a baseball bat of her own house, which is my rental property. So she also has applied for the CARES Act for the rent relief, but they declined her because she quit her job, so she was not affected by the pandemic. So basically I also offered her a forgiveness. She refused and told me she wasn't paying me a penny. So here I am at the courthouse gonna evict, but technically I am evicting also because of non-payment. Technically I'm not sure how this is going to go because the CDC just passed a thing to where we're not allowed to evict for non-payment. Now, I don't know how this is going to go because I'm evicting because of property damage. As you can see over here, there's a window busted out. You see a brick and window damage. I had to replace it. So basically, gonna go in there. I can't bring my phone in there, unfortunately, because it is a courthouse. Also, she refused non-payment, refused to work out arrangements. So here it is, guys. I'll be back in about an hour to let you guys know how it went, to see if it's possible to evict a tenant right now. This tenant has not been paying rent since May. Well, got her evicted. The judge gave her 10 days to get out. If she's not out, I have to go back down and file a rape of possession. So you can now do it. You can now evict a tenant in the state of Pennsylvania. I'm so relieved. This has been a headache since the pandemic has started. Now I'm going to get a possession of the property back, and I'm going to be selling it on a rent to own to basically make up for my losses. I'm going to sell for $6,000 down, $500 a month, and enroll that into another property. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.